Hi friends, today I am explaining serialization and deserialization in Java. What is meant by serialization and deserialization? Serialization is a converting an object into stream of bytes, and deserialization is a rebuilding the object from stream of bytes. Serialization is a mechanism to convert an object into stream of bytes so that it can be written into file and transported to the network or stored into database, and deserialization is just vice versa. And let us take an example how to implement in Java serialization and deserialization. In this class implements serializable interface, which means it can be serialized. All the fields of the class can be written into file after being converted to stream of bytes, except those fields are declared transient. Here I create one bean and student.java, and student.java bean and implements the Java IO serializable, and declare a private int of roll number, name and address, and is a constructor and parameter pass, and you need to let us and status here. Serialization of object. The class is writing an object of a student class to the student.scr file. We are using a file output stream and object output stream to the object to file. Import the file output stream and object output stream and IO exceptions, and we create a send class into public static void main, and student obj equal to new student, and it raise a pass the parameters 101 Chaitanya Agra, and it is a student bean, and file output stream create a file output stream and pass the student.scr. scr means file extension of serialization, and object output stream obj new pass, and write a object to the object and close FOS and IS, and serialization is done here. And deserialization, as usual, the class would rebuild the object of student class after being the stream of bytes from the file. Observe the output of this class and student address file have null or 0 consecutively. This is because of these fields are declared transient in the student class, and import these files, and student.io is declaring, and file output stream is student.scr, and needs to here we need to get a student name O of get object read object to here, and we need to get a object O of student name. Thanks for watching. This is the output. Please like and subscribe, click bell icon.